today we are hosts of Agility by Design, and we are actually co-organizers. This event is all about changing organizational mindset in corporates. Brain Embassy is a great place for this kind of events.
Today's event, Agility by Design, is something we co-created with Brain Embassy to promote the more advanced, more innovative, and most of all, really happy and focused on cooperation and innovation work methods, work environment. That whole profit from Agility by Design goes towards sponsoring education of children in Lagos in Africa. So we're talking about corporate educators committing to educate kids in Africa, which is quite beautiful.
I have an NGO that works with the less privileged children. I met with Joanna in 2014. We shared ideas. She called me later to say she's going to organize a conference which will be to raise money, and part of that money she will donate to the foundation around. When I came here, I'm meeting everybody for the first time. We don't speak the same language, we're not from the same culture, but because we think the same way, it's a lot easier for us to connect together. So I'm so very happy about the way I've been received.
Now there goes a sight from my soul.